Have you ever felt your automatic transmission acting like it is confused, shifting harshly, or feeling like it is dragging something heavy behind it? Code P07A7 indicates that a specific friction element, which we call element C, is stuck in the on position inside your transmission. This is not something you want to ignore because a stuck internal clutch or brake band can quickly lead to overheating and permanent mechanical damage. Before you start panicking about a total transmission rebuild, you need to check the basics first. The health of your automatic transmission fluid is absolutely critical here. If the fluid is dirty, low, or just plain old, it can cause the internal valves to stick. In fact, if you cannot remember the last time you changed your filter and fluid, that should be your very first step because fresh oil can often wash away the debris causing the hang-up. Another weird but common cause is actually your tires. If you have mismatched tire sizes or even one tire that is significantly lower on air than the others, it creates an uneven rotational speed that confuses the computer into thinking a friction element is failing. If your tires and fluid are perfect, then you are likely looking at an electrical issue in the wiring harness or a solenoid that has failed internally. Make sure the master connector on the transmission case is clean and tight, as vibrations over thousands of miles can easily wiggle those pins loose and trigger a false alarm.